All right, hello, and we are back. We are yes, Tim here, and we are setting up a Sokol demo, and we've created a shader, and we're putting it into the pipeline, and we're drawing some triangles. So at the moment, we've got this little triangle. We've got this little red triangle that we're drawing, but the color red is hard coded in the shader. So what we want to do, so let's just have a quick look at that again. With this, we've got a vertex shader here, and we're just passing that, we're setting the position according to the position that's passed in the in variable, and then we're setting the out color of the fragment shader to this hard coded red color here. Okay, and that's why we get this red triangle. But we want to change that around a bit, and instead we want to be able to pass the colors in, so we get this nice in the demo app. On the Sokol examples, we've got this sort of nice rainbowy color. Okay, so we've got red up the top, we've got green down here, and we've got blue in the left corner, and it sort of interpolates between all the different colors. So yeah, the main difference is here is that with this shader, we can actually take in the color from the shader, and we just pass it through, straight through to the fragment shader, and then we set that color in the fragment shader. So we're gonna have a go at that, and we're gonna see if we can get some nice rainbow colors. So let's take in the vertex color. Now we've got to just make sure we give it a different name. So if we have a look over here, we've got yeah, this is color 0 because our out variable is color. Okay, so our out vertex is color, just color, and we set our color to be just the in color of 0. Okay. Now in our fragment shader, we take an in variable called color, and we should just, instead of setting it to this hard coded red, we should just set it to color. Okay, so I'll just check. I think that looks pretty right. Okay, well, let's just make our shader. So I'll just clear this. Let's make shader, and that does generate our shader. Okay, it's beautiful. Now, what we need to do is we're going to actually set all these colors in our vertex buffer. So we've got our position, the first three, and then the next four floats are actually the color. So what we need to do there is actually set another attribute in our pipe when we're making our pipeline description. Okay, now if you watched the previous video, you would know that this is just an array of attributes, and we're saying each attribute. So this is essentially like saying, you know, in the array 0, set it to the format to whatever, and then, you know, this is like array numbers to 1, right? And we also set the format to whatever, right? But because, you know, if we move the position of the variables around, they might change order or something. So we can actually just specify these as defined. So, and these are actually generated as part of the shader code. So if we go into it, you can see here we've got shader position 0, and then we've got shader color 1, which was our, and this is defined as number 1. So what we can do is just change this one to color 0. Now, this is where we need to change this. So the format, this format is this color up here above here. So we've got they're floats, but there's 4 floats. Okay, so we just need to tell our vertex pipeline that these are this color is 4 floats. Okay, now if all goes well, we should have some color. So let's run this, and look at that, we've got a beautiful shaded triangle as per the example, and we can, yeah, resize this, and beautiful colored triangle. So there it is. Yeah, that's the intro to Sokol. That's how we sort of set it up. But yeah, really awesome library. If you go on here, there is a live sample of all the different, you know, we've done this triangle one, but you know, there's endless amounts of graphic stuff that you can do with this library. And yeah, I'm going to keep playing around with this library. And yeah, hopefully if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and share it, and we'll yeah, I'll do some more of them. All right, see you next time.